is to make life easy and gives us lots of convenience. But nowadays, same phenomenon seems everywhere. It's called mobile mania, showing the life before and after smartphone. Let's see how early in the morning people get up before the smartphone. What a change! Meal time spent with the family by eating, talking with each other.
What about now?
No sharing, no caring. Playtime used to be fun time for kids. They used to play outdoor games like football, cricket, kho-kho, hockey, etc.
But now,
No outdoor games, no physical exercise. That's really worrying. Helping people in their need was considered as a moral duty.
now, but these days.
That's not good. Parents can easily pacify their kids with chocolates, candies, and ice cream.
But now,
Kids only want mobile phones to get engaged. Naughty kids never use to meet and greet their friends.
wait.
All its kids putting the user. It is crystal clear that mobile phones have both pros and cons. But in spite of their disadvantages,